Another day, another English lesson. Forming antonyms with prefixes. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make opposites, or antonyms, from words using prefixes. A prefix is a small part we add to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. Here are some examples. Ill. Example. Legal becomes illegal. Legal means allowed by law. Illegal means not allowed by law. Non. Example. Fiction becomes nonfiction. Fiction means a story that is imagined. Nonfiction means information that is real. A. Example. Typical becomes atypical. Typical means usual or expected. Atypical means not usual or expected. Im. Example. Mature becomes immature. Mature means behaving like an adult. Immature means not behaving like an adult. Now insert the correct negative prefixes, il, non, a, or im, to create the antonym of the highlighted word. One, the document is illegal, so it cannot be used in court. 2. Most of these books are nonfiction. They contain facts, not stories based on imagination. Three, a snowstorm is atypical for summer in England. 4. The girl can't stop laughing in class because she is immature. 5. Your handwriting is illegible. It is impossible to read. 6. The argument is nonsense. He can't understand it. 7. His actions were amoral because he doesn't know right from wrong. 8. The road is impassable after the heavy storm. Nobody can drive through. I hope you enjoyed this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.